Hello everyone, how to find computer, LAN card or NIC card MAC address. Let's start. First of all, open run command, Windows R, and type CMD, enter, and type the ipconfig /all command, ipconfig /all command, and enter, and then find the adapter, local area connection, LAN adapter card or Wi-Fi, and this CU physical address or MAC address. Wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. In this physical address for Wi-Fi adapter, my computer does not LAN card and use external LAN card. In this physical address for Wi-Fi. In this command, ipconfig /all for find to MAC address, LAN card MAC address or NIC card, send to LAN card or NIC card. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.